our next command is move command, mv command. It is used for two purposes. One is to move file or folder from one place to another, and another purpose is to rename files and folders. We will see how to use this for both purposes. Start with mv command for move files or folders. Okay, first we need to type ls. There are two folders, data and test. There is another useful command that is tree. If we hit enter, then it will shows in a tree manner total directory structure. Like it says nothing is present in data, there are two files present in test data. It is telling us by branches. This command is very useful for if you want to see the directory structure. Okay, if we want to move a file from test to data folder, then we will use mv space test slash a.txt to data folder. Okay, hit enter, again see tree. Now it shows a.txt present in data folder, not in test folder. Okay, if we want to rename a.txt to any other name, or if we want to rename the data folder to data1, then we will type mv space data. First we need to give the current name, then we will type the new name with space. Okay, if we use move command from current directory to any other directory, or from one directory to another directory, then it will move file or folder from the original place to another place, means from source to destination. If we will use move command from source to source, then it will rename our file. Means if we use move command from current location to again current locations, means our source is current location and destination is also current location, then it will rename our file. Okay, how to rename it? It will rename to data1 by hitting enter. Now use ls. Now data is replaced with data1. Okay,